Hello, my name is Amber Daniels.
And I'm Melvin Yates with the Flagship Group. Today we are at 1274 Megis Place, Northeast DC, right in the heart of Trinidad. That's right.
Trinidad neighborhood, super awesome neighborhood, definitely up and coming. You'll see a lot of older homes out here, but also plenty of new construction. So you'll see a lot of possibilities around here.
8-bedroom, 4-bathroom. It's a 4-unit building, so 4 separate units, but it's not quite move-in ready, right?
3,200 square feet of possibility.
That's right. Yep, 2 of the units got started kind of pre-construction. 2 of the units need everything, but there's a lot of opportunity in this neighborhood, as you'll see. Let's take a look.
Welcome to Unit 1. This unit is about 800 square feet, features a lot of natural light. Here, of course, if you're living space, most of this unit has been started on the update, so you'll get a chance to see where you can put your touches in and also what has been done so far. This is going to be your bathroom. It has this tub, the sink. You have plenty of options to put in your own finishes, of course. This is the 2nd bedroom. Plenty of space, already started on the updates on this room. Closet in here as well. This is your kitchen space. Of course, you have endless opportunity here to put in whatever fixtures you want, add your sink, add your stove, anything that you want to do there to personalize that. On this side is going to be your master suite. Plenty of space here, lovely natural light. Lots of good space here to kind of store and put everything that you need to make yourself comfortable in your area. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead out here and then we'll go ahead and show you the next few units. Hello.
Who is it?
It's me.
Welcome, Unit 3. Come on, well, you know where you are. Show yourself around.
Thank you, Liz. This is Unit 3, of course. So right here, you'll see that this is your living room space in this unit. There's a couple differences in this unit. This one is a little more upgraded, a little more updated, so you won't have to actually put as much into this unit unless you want to. So the bathroom is on this end. It's pretty much completely done for you. The kitchen is right here for you, gas stove for you here, so you can kind of personalize that. This is probably my favorite aspect of this unit. It's the fact that the master bedroom has actually been pony walled, so you have a whole entire suite essentially. So they took 2 bedrooms and kind of made it into one, which gives you prime opportunity to do what you like. Shalom, good neighbor.
Hey, how you doing, Amber? You gonna show me your place?
I'm pretty well. You can go ahead and look around.
The little thing. Damn.
Look, I mean,
you got some work to do.
A little bit of work.
Right.
This is the land of imagination station.
I love it because actually, if you kind of pop the roof off, add that other level and the rooftop deck, you got something cooking.
That would be amazing, actually.
So this is nice and open. You can see where I guess you started. You got the closet on the front side, closet on the back side.
Got it. You know I love my walk-ins.
Yep, this would be space for a bedroom wall. Or probably if you're gonna take this space, you're gonna open it all out.
Yeah.
Take the roof off. You can probably go back another 15-ish feet to be along the same line as the building next door. This was the former kitchen. Don't touch the wires.
Please don't. Not yet. You can see there's a lot of possibility here, though, right?
Yeah, no, it's
footprint is steady.
Yeah. And then this is that same door that's going to take you what used to be down the steps, but I think they took the steps off. So don't go out that door. You might have a little drop. Formerly the smaller bedroom. Nothing like a nice soaking tub.
Here we go. I was gonna, you know, just in
Right.
case.
Nasty.
I'll hold your hand
All right,
through
yeah,
this
no.
process.
All
But
right.
this is a wonderful space. I really think that somebody can really turn this into something amazing. So
I think so too. Let's check out the next unit.
let's go. All right, on to unit 2.
We're going to unit 2 now. Unit 2 is the mystery unit. Neither one of us have seen unit 2. We've heard some stories. Might have some friends. Let's check it out.
You know?
Make a little noise. A little shimmy shimmy.
Did you pee?
All right.
All right, there we go.
Okay.
You know, with spaces like
Hello.
this, you know, all the possibilities are endless. So
We're here. All right.
well, you know,
Right, unit 2, this is actually looks like it's the storage unit for the building.
I was gonna say it actually is a lot different than I imagined mystery unit to be. The floors are actually pretty done on this one, so
Yeah, the floors are done.
Not too
I haven't
much going on.
I haven't seen any friends running around just yet.
mysteries.
Yeah, but we got a couple of tubs. We got a bunch of equipment in here.
This is a clawfoot tub. You can put that one on up
Yeah.
there, swap it out. That's nice.
You didn't wear your open-toed shoes today.
You know,
No.
I was thinking I was going to. I didn't want to show off. You
All
know,
right, all right.
I didn't want to show off too much. I wasn't sure what you were wearing.
Yeah, I don't see any friends. What were these friends that we were talking about? I think
Sorry.
we're okay.
I was so
All right,
excited.
yeah.
I was actually
All right,
really
we'll meet them.
Whoa.
We'll meet. I know.
I was gonna be like,
No,
wait a
right.
minute. You know what?
Right.
This is a lot of good adventure for the day.
We'll meet them next time.
I'm enjoying writing Imagination
All right.
Station with the rest of you, but
All right.
we're gonna have to come to a close.
Yeah, we will. Let's close out. Let's take a look at the back of the building.
Let's do this.
All right, hey, if this building is for you, we will even throw in
This lovely couch here. You don't even have to bid on it. We'll just put it right in the package.
a new couch. Like the price is right. All right.
You get a couch.
You
You
get
get
a
a
couch.
couch. You get a couch.
Now the owner on this actually added this bump out, all brick. It's about 12 feet, 12-foot bump out, and it's all brick. So most of the other bump outs have vinyl, but of course the new owner on this will probably even come an additional 8 feet so that it lines up with the building next door. There is storage completely under the,
In the entire span of the house, so that's plenty of space to put all of your needs, for your backyard needs, things like that you don't want to have laying around the house. So that's total great additional space. One of my favorite parts is this pad here. Not only just this private parking,
Right.
which we know is prime for DC. You know, we all need that. But this space right here, you have so much that you can do with that.
Yeah.
As little kids, you can run
you
around.
could run,
with a
and
little-
look at the potential, if you come out into the alleyway, you can see the potential of the building next door
Mhm.
that has an entire,
Rooftop deck options.
so right, parking for 3 or 4, plenty of space. So again, I'm Melvin Yates.
Amber Daniels. So if you are interested in kind of putting your dream together, then this is a great opportunity to get started on that.
Yep, with
Space.
1274 Megis Place Northeast, 20002,
We are
right in the
in
heart of Trinidad.
Trinidad.
All right, we'll see you next time.
All right, have a good one.